welcome to Life with Erica. Today we're going to be opening the Ipsy box for the month of February. I did my choice, and at the end of doing your choice it tells you how much your box is worth. Mine was worth $235. I'm not sure the breakdown, but it's $33 a month. Eric's in a bad mood, so you're going to hear banging on the wall and you're going to hear screaming, because that's what he does when he's in a bad mood. So we're just going to go with it. All right, this month it says self-love starts here. And there's a sneak peek of some things. Scan to learn about 5 products in your box. Since I'm using my phone, can't do that, so all right. So the first thing in here is brightening serum by Sinage. Looks like that. Let's go ahead and open it. Try not to break anything, because if I don't use it, I put it in a giveaway. Dark spot corrector. I think I picked this because I do have dark spots. I don't know if y'all can see them right now, which is really nice, because just a side note, I'm testing out this Essence Glow Booster. I'm not wearing foundation, I'm just wearing this, so pretty good. Oh, and powder. I didn't put anything else on, just that. So this says it helps correct dark spots. Brightening serum day or night, a spot corrector affected areas until the spots lighten. Can be used overall brightening serum once appearance of dark spots has diminished. Wear alone or under moisturizer. Use consistently for 12 weeks. So we'll see. I might just start using it on the spots. I think in my mirror I can see right here. I don't know if y'all could see it. And then I know there's some, you can see the discoloration up here. So, and right there. All right. Misho blush stick, which I have the contour stick. So this is the blush stick, and I love the contour stick, but I don't know if I like this color, so it might go in a giveaway because that's a little dark for me. The color is called The Life, but I'm not going to even swatch it because it looks a little dark. I'll show you the blush stick I use currently. I got this from, it says AF94, and it's a lot lighter when I use it. I use that one, and I believe there's another couple in here. All right, and then we got Kulufi Main Match Concealer Corrector and Ice Berry. It says it's never settle for less than your main match. And of course it's breaking as I'm opening it. But since it's a concealer, I've never heard of this brand. Have y'all heard of this brand? I'm not going to open it until I use it, but it does look like it's a good match. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in here. And I'm going to put it in with my concealers. All right. The next thing is BYREOE Kale Hydrating Gel Moisturizer. I wanted to try it. I did pick this, I believe. Let's see. Which I'm currently using during the day. I'm using this Belief moisturizer, True Cream Aqua Bomb. I love the way this feels, so I thought this might be a good one to try. Also, I love the glass it's in. It looks so beautiful, and the color radiant on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the last product. Is Whimsical Bloom by Ace Beauty. It's a palette. I like the outside. Whimsical Bloom. Oh yeah, this is pretty. Oh, the mirror. I think the mirror's broke. Oh man. See the mirror? It is very, very pretty colors. However, I don't see me using these, so they will probably go in a giveaway, because I have officially decided I'm trying to minimize my colors picks that I use. If I have something that's got similar colors, I'm not getting it again. That's my theory. Unless it's like, not even gonna lie, I bought this to try it out because we were talking about e.l.f. and I compared them to Essence. And this was a decent deal on Ulta. And also got like an Essence Bright Eyes stick. I saw this Flawless Skin Trio. It's got the pink, the purple, and the regular. And then I have some like, what's this? Yeah, I have an Essence Meta Glow. It's like a, I think it's considered, and it looks like it broke in there. But it's like a duochrome eyeliner. And then this I got. I'm going to do a video with them. Alright, so this is going to go in a giveaway. But that was my box. And I'm going to go ahead and put all the information below. And that's all that. If y'all made it this far, leave a comment. Which one are you interested in knowing more about that I'm going to keep? Or like, what is it you're going to want to see, you know, or even an emoji about the weather at your house, because mine's picky right now. I don't know what it's doing. It was raining, then it was sunny, and now it's, I don't know what you call it. It's like cloudy, but you can see like little peaks of sun, and it's hot in my house for some reason. So I am not sure what's going on. The weather's crazy. But anyways, I will talk to y'all in the next one. Love you. Have a blessed day.